Huh? That's Bluey and Green Guard.
Shadow does not care that that's the birds. He probably gonna bark at them even more downstairs. His tail is just all over the place.
You like Bluey and Green Guard?
Maybe he's barking like that because he know of them.
They just minding their business.
He is really watching.
That's Bluey
and that's another thing. Shadow watches TV
like never before.
That's actually on Larry. Because when Shadow was a puppy, they would sit in the front room and watch TV. Look how he looking.
Anything gotta be on me, but whatever.
Shadow cocked his head to the side like, what?
You can't believe that these birds are this big.
Right. I think that's what he's tripping off of.
They big. They got big, didn't they, Shadow?
Like a lot of weird stuff going on.
Yeah, Green Guard sitting up there like, man, let me get that up off you. Now they wrestling with us.
Mm-hmm. What you think, Shadow? He like, whatever.
You wanted a close up? See what